Good morning. Welcome to e-content development program sponsored by Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. I am Mahadeva Nayak NS, working as Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Bannur. Principles of marketing is the subject that which I am discussing in this e-content part. Program Bachelor of Commerce BCom, subject Principles of Marketing, semester second semester, University of Mysore, session 19. Session 19. The title of the session is consisting of introduction, meaning, definition and advertising. The session 19 consisting of a recap, learning objective, learning outcomes, introduction, meaning and definition of advertising, summary, conclusion, MCQs, references. In the last class, we have discussed about tourism marketing mix. Now, let us learn to know the features of advertising. The learners are introduced to the features of advertising. Let us see what is the meaning of advertising. Advertisement is thus the process of spreading product information among the potential buyers through a public medium in order to maximize sales, such as public medium. It may be includes newspapers, magazines, televisions and radio. Advertising is a means of communication with the users of a product or service. Advertisements are messages paid for by those who send them and are intended to inform or influence people who receives them. Some of the popular definition of advertising. According to William J. Stanton, advertising consisting of all the activities. It will present to a group, a non-personal. Advertisement is maybe in the form of oral or visual. It is openly sponsored message regarding a product or services or idea for the benefits of the ultimate consumer or to the society. According to American Marketing Association defines advertising as any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of goods, service or ideas by an identified sponsor is called as advertising. That is a popular definition stated by American Marketing Association. The following points emerge from the above definition of advertising. Let us see. The first one, advertising is a paid form for demand and action. Second one, it is a non-personal presentation of goods or services. Third one, it is done through a medium. Fourth one, the medium may be in a form of visual like newspaper, magazines, or in a form of oral medium like radio or visual come oral medium like the television. These are the some of the medium, visual medium that we can say. Fifth one, the non-personal presentation of goods or services or ideas through a medium should be done by an identified sponsor. Such a sponsor may be the producer himself or a dealer or some other person or organization. Some of the multiple choice question. Number 1. Dash is a transit advertising term specifying to display in each vehicle. There are 4 answers. Out of the 4, A. Hoarding is a transit advertising term. No, it is the B. Double carding is a transit advertising term. Let us see the second one. Dash is a reduction from regular rates when advertising contracts to use quantities of advertising. Again, A is the answer out of the four. Discount is the answer for second one. Next one. And dash is a long format television commercial, typically 5 minutes or longer. Infomercial is a long format television. So the C is the answer for the third MCQ. Dash is used in outdoor advertising to refer to the number of billboards used in one display. Facing is used in outdoor, so the answer is B. Dash is the measurement which are based on respondents whether say with assurance that they have looked into a given magazine. So A, exposure is the measurement. We can say is the answer for the fifth MCQ. Some of the top references made for preparation of PPT are from Marketing Management Philip Kotler, Marketing Management same title Pillai and Bhagavati, and other references is used to complete the PPT and to present the PPT. Thank you one and all.